Hi guys, Gabby here, and today we're making cake pops because tomorrow I'm turning 10 and I want cake pops. So we already baked our cake. I chose the chocolate fudge. So now we have to gotta crumble the cake. So I'm just gonna. That oddly feels nice. That feels good. It's so fluffy and warm and man, I love that. Oh, this feels so good. I didn't think cake felt like that. That felt like good. Nice. Just gonna, and then after so we made the cake, we got it, and then we made it, and then we let it sit for let it bake for 35 minutes. We preheated the oven to 350, and then we got the stuff, preheated the oven to 350, made the cake, put it in, left it for 35 minutes, then got it out, let it cool, and now we're doing this. I'm halfway done, and there's so much. I've only had cake pops once, and that was at my friend's birthday party. It was her birthday party. And we decided I was gonna have them at my birthday party, but we decided not to because instead we're gonna have cupcakes and donuts. So, and my birthday party is not until like later. Like my birthday is March 21st and my party's April 3rd. So, yeah, there will be another video coming for the party. This feels nice. Like, I'm kind of surprised. I didn't think it would make this many, but it looks like it will make a lot. Awkward silence. No. Whenever I don't put in this, I'm gonna eat. I don't think I've had regular fudge before. I think I've ever either had chocolate or triple chocolate fudge. So, also my frosting is also chocolate fudge, and then my candy melts are pink and they're vanilla flavored. So that's gonna be a whole lot of flavor. Is that enough? Can I eat this much?
That's a big piece of cake.
Well, not that much. A quarter. That feels so good. Like, that's oddly feels good. Like, it feels so nice. Like, it feels so good. I'm not sure why though. And then when we get it really hard, we'll go like that, and then it'll be a cake pop. So you're supposed to put half the frosting in and put it in the fridge for 2 hours, but it's getting kind of late, so we're just gonna put the frosting in, stir it up, and then put it in it till tomorrow, and we'll finish it tomorrow. So I'm gonna eat that after. And we gotta put half a tub. I'm not sure if I said that or not. ASMR. Wait. Yeah, ASMR. So half. Okay, that doesn't work. Today, we went and saw the play Guys and Dolls by the high schoolers. It was pretty good. My favorite character was probably Sloane Barbary, which played, I think her name was Annabelle. Oh, I forgot her name. But one of them was my principal's son that played. It played her fiance. So, and I got scared during that because I'm about to have a play in 5 days. Another play, like I'm gonna do a play, like I'm gonna be in it in 5 days at the high school, so. Can I eat that? Aww. First. I think I might need to use my hands. So we finished it and we're gonna put it in the fridge and we'll see you tomorrow when it rains. Alright, it's the next day. These have been here overnight and today's my actual birthday and we're gonna be posting another video on that, so don't click off right now. I see you, Barbara, don't do that. But we're just gonna finish making this. So we roll these into a ball, and I have my mold. Okay, I can't. Yeah. Is that good? That seems to be a bit too big. That's a little too big. So we're gonna start off with 4. 5. I can't count. 10. I can't count. Okay. Ooh. Now the fun part. We get to squish it. It broke. Do that. Is that too much or is it fine? Okay, we're going to start and we're going to just stick it. Oh, I might have stuck in it. That's good. And then take another one take that and that and bring it over here. We stick it and we stick it. We put the candy on it so it won't fall apart and it will dry and in there and it will stay. So can we open it up yet? Okay. They don't look too good. That one. Let's try this one. I don't think they're ready. Oh, got it. Okay, let's gently. Technical difficulties again. We made up a new way. So you sit it and you take some and you drizzle just like that, I guess. And my mom already did that one to test. Oh. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, now we have to make some more.
Yeah, show me what you're doing, bro.
Oh, that one's
Casualty.
casualty.
Yeah, you want to let the wax dry, or the chocolate dry on the stick before you pick it up. Put it in the plate.
We may need another.
Oh, you spilled it.
There's a lot of. Okay, so we got a new plate, and this is the good plate. That's the bad plate.
Even though that one was a good run, right? But you broke it. Am I right?
No, it's a bad one.
Ow!
Feeling bad?
No, it was not dry.
Lucy, no, honey. Come on, Lucy. No.
Hey,
Come on.
that's a no, Lucy.
Come on, Lucy. Come on.
Oh, Lucy, you can't
still in
have
the
cake
show?
pops. They're not finished, Lucy. Even if you could have, they're not finished.
Bad way. I do not like the ice and stuff, but I like the chocolate. Oh.
Is that good enough, Cody?
Yeah. Sure. No, maybe. I don't know. Yes, no, maybe. I don't know.
This is a mess.
Gabby, I think this you probably need a bit of paint and clean up her message. Hello. I'm my sister.
They
She's
know
10.
well by now.
But there's only one thing they probably don't know if you haven't already. I told them she's turning 10.
I already told
Okay, good.
God, are you kidding me?
Yay. Don't make it big. Don't make a bigger mess than what you already.
Oh no.
No.
Okay. Okay, guys. I'm gonna finish this up. But do they taste good?
Give me a thumbs up if it's good. Give me a thumbs down if it's bad.
The answer to that is yes. Subscribe, like, turn on the notifications, subscribe to my other channel, Like Matt, Jesus, Gabby, and Mallory, Sophie Jameson, Carson May, See you all next time. Bye.
Bye.